Presenting a pre-owned 2011 BMW 128i. This two-door convertible has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter i6 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This BMW has less than 101,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, and heated front seats.